So cool. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Aahana and welcome to the Jaipur edit. Basically, I'm going on a staycation with my family and some family friends. Property I'm staying at, oh my god, it is so beautiful. I cannot wait to show you guys what it's like. But first things first, we gotta pack, and I have made a list. I am going for 3 days and 2 nights, so I need 2 travel outfits, I need 2 dinner outfits, I need 2 pool day type outfits. I cannot swim, but like I would like to have the option to if I want to go splashy splash. I need swim sleepwear, and yeah, I guess that's about it. So I have a lot of things and I still am in 2 minds about them, and I don't want to overpack. I will be sharing my suitcase with my nanny, so half of her stuff is there and half of my stuff is there. So you know, एक सूटकेस में 2 जगह होती है, तो एक नानी का है और एक मेरा है, तो मुझे सिर्फ उसमें अपने सारे कपड़े एक्चुअली फिट करने हैं. And I will also take like a tote purse sort of a thing bag with me, in which I will store my makeup, skincare and my hair tools if I need. Oh no, you're stuck. Hey, welcome. Hello. Hi, welcome. Now we're going shopping. Yeah. So guys, we're going shopping because it's day 1 and we want to go and explore. Hello. Hi, Marcy. Hi. Come here. देखो यहाँ पे भी है. Look, this is a cutest shopping bag, you guys.
Three hours later.
Full screen now.
Let me turn off my lights.
So take order इधर से. Okay, I'll teach you.
We are playing proper game.
Chill section and इधर डाल दो बस. इसको डाल दो.
So we had dinner in one of our family friends' room and we're heading back. and it's all of a sudden so stormy. Kesri. Nani? Wow! This is what you call a Hawa Mahal. That's true.
वहाँ से आता नहीं यहाँ से नहीं आती
Probably. Be like my parents, fearless in this weather. Good morning, you guys. We are here for breakfast, and I don't like breakfast. I don't. But I got myself some pav bhaji, and I'm gonna try it and then see other things. Look at me, a full-blown adult getting chocolates.
Where's my phone?
So this is my outfit for breakfast. I went for breakfast early in the morning and I still felt like I look cute and I want to take some pictures, so I did. Now I'm heading back to my room. Would also love to go sit by the pool, but did not miss any mirrors on the way. What? I was chilling over here. Besides the pool area, this area has to be my favorite. I am gonna go for a swim at the pool and just take a dip because it's really hot outside and it's unbearable. But taking a dip in the pool would be the best thing to do right now. But I wanted to catch you guys up. So for my second day at Samode, it has been very chill. I've been in my room. I changed a couple of times, went outside, took a few pictures. That's what I did because honestly, that's something I love to do on vacations or staycations, if you will. But yeah, now we're gonna go chill by the pool, and I have my swimming costume underneath it. Let me give you a fun fact. I drowned twice as a child, so I don't know how to swim. because I am very, very, very scared of it. So I will just go splishy splashy. That's it. When I drowned was when I was very young. Once I was in like preschool and one of my friends just pushed me in and I just did not know what to do and I was panicking, and I even stopped taking a bath after that for a long time. Like I would get scared from head baths and I was always make this noise like blub blub blub, and then my mom used to wonder like why do I do that, till one day she figured out that I am scared of water. And I got so pissed with myself. I went to the washroom and poured an entire bucket over my head, and that's how I got over it. And second time I was in second grade and one of my swimming teachers just threw me over the pool and I was like, that's not fair.
3 hours later.
It's like 7:30 right now and I'm headed back to my room to take a shower and get ready for dinner. Now we're going to chill in like one of our family friends' rooms, and I put on this white dress and with these golden shoes. I put on these earrings and this MK necklace that I love and I'm obsessed with, and it's quite chic. अब मुझे ब्लैंकेट का सामान लेने भेज दिया है बिकॉज छोटे हो जाओ लेके आओ. Hello. You're really pretty. So on the day of the checkout, my mom and I stumbled upon this beautiful room that was being cleared out, and it's called the Shish Mahal room. It felt like stepping into a little jewelry box and was insanely cozy. And get this, they even had an indoor jacuzzi where one can really chill and relax. The washroom was a statement piece itself. Honestly, if I had this room, I would not get out at all. It was covered entirely in the mirror work, and honestly, it felt like this perfect slow spot for a peaceful escape.
So that should be in your records as per what grades you have.
So it's the final day and we're leaving. I know I haven't vlogged much because I was honestly trying to just relax and enjoy the space. This is my travel fit for the day, and honestly, Jaipur is the place to go. Samode Haveli is the place to stay at, and I don't know, I'm just really bummed to go back, but I know it's time to go back. Action.